No, don't tell me it's untrue. I know people who've been knocked down and beaten by people from Antifa. So that is true. It does happen. We have it on tape. We just roll the tape.
Right.
So you're saying, is that justified?
Yes.
That was Mike Isaacson, who, until recently, ironically was a professor at John Jay College for Criminal Justice. I say ironically because while Isaacson taught future police officers, he also advocated for dead cops, and is a co-founder of the Antifa group Smash Racism DC. Dead cops are good, Isaacson informed Twitter in July. Expressing gratitude for his job a month later, he said, "Some of y'all might think it sucks being an anti-fascist teaching at John Jay College, but I think it's a privilege to teach future dead cops." He went on to joke about killing a hypothetical student of his who went on to become a cop. "Weren't you my econ professor? See, you had the opportunity." Blade drops. Blade, I'm guessing, because do you really think leftists know how to use guns? Here's Isaacson defending the future dead cops remark on Fox.
I'm offended by that because the people I know who are cops, they have kids.
Are they immortal?
They have mortgages.
Are they immortal?
No, don't give me a nihilistic argument
immortal?
because that's not what you're saying. You're not saying everybody dies. Privilege means that there is some joy that you take.
I do take joy in teaching my students. I love my students.
Well, you know what they say, when you can't beat them, go on national TV and make yourself look like an idiot. The head of New York City's largest police union called for Isaacson's firing, condemning his disgusting anti-police attitudes and his gleeful embrace of political violence, including violence against police officers. John Jay College placed the Antifa giraffe on leave in September, and President Carol Mason said, "I am appalled that anyone associated with John Jay, with our proud history of supporting law enforcement authorities, would suggest that violence against police is ever acceptable." A college spokeswoman told me Monday that Isaacson no longer works at the school. Why did I reach out to John Jay College on Monday? Well, it just so happened that Isaacson was inciting violence on Twitter, saying, "Burn a police station for me, Philly," the day of a football game in the city. Campus Unmasked reached out to Isaacson so he could elaborate on that insightful remark. Here's what he had to say. "Sports riots are a proud American tradition dating back to the era of Crisco the Great. To deny the people their athletically driven destructive catharsis is to deny the will of God." Well, thanks for the heads up, Prophet Isaacson. I'm sure you'd feel the same way if the riot happened on your property. I also asked about the former professor's current employment status, but that question mysteriously went unanswered. For Campus Unmasked, I'm Rob Shimshock. If you like this video and support our mission, please make sure to comment and subscribe. If something happens on your campus and you'd like us to investigate, send us details using the form on campusunmasked.com.